Walking around at this stand is like not the move.
Oh yeah.
But everything's so much nicer.
Dang. I'm gonna have to make like a little bracket for that throttle pedal to sit on, because it's gonna be I think the other one sits a lot lower on the GTO, the original GTO.
Yeah.
Or try and find one. I actually have one off of a truck at home that I could bring in and try and mock up and see how different it is off the GTO or the Corvette one. I need to look into that because some of them interchange and some of them you have to change some wiring. So
I'm trying to think. What if I just buy a Corvette one or GTO one?
let's wait, because the angle that's at, it sits up straight up against the firewall.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not down at the bottom, and I need to see how the other ones sit.
Should we change it and just put it floor mounted, do you think? Or should we just, I think keep the top mounted, right?
Well,
it'd be easier.
Yeah, we can. We need to see which way it's going to fit or which pedal's going to work better or which one's actually interchangeable.
Yeah.
I mean, if not, we might just get the original GTO one and go from there. And then your shifter too. We're changing that back to the regular shifter on top. And did you ever take a look about getting a short throw shifter?
No, you said you were gonna look at that.
Okay.
Remember?
Yeah.
So I tried looking it up, and I was like, I'll just buy like something that could fit for now before you come back, right? And
I found a couple, but then I figured, let me find one that doesn't have the extra length shifter up on top, just so that you can switch out whatever shaft you want to put on there.
Dude, look at the happy that dang alternator fit.
Yeah.
Because I also thought we might have to, dent the side there a little bit.
Yeah.
But it barely fit, and that's what matters.
Fits in there. It's snug, really snug. COVID hit. I don't know if you came across that social media post that said, can't wait for all those Corvettes to go on sale for funeral expenses.
Oh my god.
All I do that is fucked up.
That's messed up.
That one was going around a lot because
I'm pretty sure everyone had a good laugh at it though.
Yeah,
like, it's not a nice thing.
Nah, it's screwed up.
Yeah.
There's that one, and then there was another one similar to it. I'm like, dude, people are just like scavengers.
Yeah, if they can get their hands on it, dude, they're gonna go.
Oh, what happened with that Camaro?
Which one?
That 69 Camaro that your buddy bought.
Oh, the shop?
Yeah.
Oh, he just worked on one of the cars. He fixed our truck, our pickup truck, right? And then I haven't called him or asked him because it's his work. I don't have his personal number or anything like that. And maybe we'll go check it out another day. But he's gonna keep his stock. He's not gonna sell it. And I was like, if you're ever gonna sell it, you better tell me.
Yeah.
I don't care who else in your family wants it. You better tell me first.
Yeah.
I want to keep good care of that.
Heck yeah, you don't see those things almost ever.
Yeah, I was surprised. I was like he told me 68, and I was like, it's not a 68. Like, it says 302 on the side. The grill's like the pointy shape, whatever it was.
Yeah.
Like, this is a 69. How did you get this? 12K. What? What the heck? 12K?
Dang.
That things go for 30, 40 just in that condition.
Yeah, they're extremely expensive.
Jealous. So jealous.
I'd be too.
I told my dad, I was like, if he sells it for us, like 14K, we're grabbing it. I don't care. It looked.
Oh, no worries. I'll look into it for you because that one's gonna be pretty tricky.
Yeah,
I'm almost sure.
I don't know. Is that diff gonna be able to actually handle the power? Because I've seen some people say they're only putting 400 in it. I saw someone say it can handle up to 700, and I was like,
I've seen the same thing. I've seen 600-700 posted everywhere on these divs, and I'm pretty sure it should last it.
Yeah, I just want to make sure. I mean, I think it'll last, but
the seals for it. Glad you reminded me about that.
Oh, a gasket's coming today for something.
Gasket?
For the transmission or something.
The output shaft?
Yeah, I ordered that.
Cool. So that's that. You know what? Let me get the stand and double check, make sure we don't have any debris or trash in the intake, because that would be good.
Okay, I'm gonna try the live thing for now, just because. I gotta move the camera, bro. You gotta remind me.
Oh, my bad.
It's fine. You just gotta. I'll just hold it.
Yes, it does come with it.
What other car do you have? A project car, his Camaro right now, and then besides that, nothing else at the moment. But we will soon be getting another one. I'm gonna have you guys vote on that, so we'll figure that out. So we're gonna figure out the next project car very soon. 300ZX. What are your thoughts on that?
They look pretty dope.
Yeah, I agree. Those are pretty cool.
I don't know how the aftermarket is on them, because there's not very many.
Yeah, me neither. I'm not too sure about the aftermarket. 89 Jeep Wrangler. Being Punjabi, Jeeps are dope. Like, it's just a thing. In like the villages, everyone wants a Jeep, so they're pretty cool. Do you have a YouTube? Yeah, there's a link in my bio, or if you go on YouTube and enter my username, the same as TikTok, you'll find it. I only have 2 videos on there for now, but now we're gonna get a few more out. Instead of making a 20-minute video like I did before, I'm just gonna keep it to 5-minute videos, hopefully once a week. That way you guys have something to look forward to. And the new one is a dead rat. Probably. I mean, according to my friend here, he did say they're ugly. So if they are, I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Hold up. I don't think there's gonna be a way to fit this in there without taking the header off again.
Oh, the header off again?
Yeah.
Do you have to pick it up then?
Yep.
What if we just push it? It's like, just like force it in there, you know?
Dude, it's a mini starter, and even then that won't fit.
Oh, the 432 is a 2-liter inline 6, but it's only in Japan and they're really rare. Well, this is only in the US, so yeah, screw Japan. I'm just kidding. They made this car. I love them. Japan sponsor me. What camera do you use? So I have a, what is this actually? I forget. There's 2 of them. This is an M200, EOS M200. And then there's the M50, which you can put an external mic on, but I wasn't too worried about that and didn't really come across that one, the external mic. So for now, I'm gonna use this and then buy a M50 probably later, refurbished, and get an external mic, so B-rolls and everything like that, right? Well, let me adjust this. This is gonna fall right in front of me and scare me. Okay, let's adjust this camera real quick, so you guys can see the car a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna have to lift that engine up.
Of course.
Take the header out and get this.
You want to do that today, or what are you thinking? Because we can't wire it then, and I don't want to.
Yeah, look at the harness first.
You want to put the harness first?
Yeah, let's do the harness.
Is it gonna get in the way?
That's easy. No, it shouldn't get in the way.
Okay.
Everything will be up on top and to the side.
Am I raising the camera back up? Set on the ground. You gonna turbo that thing, dude? We might. We could. Not a guarantee, but we could. LS2 is a 6-liter, right? Yeah, this one here, that is in here, is a 6-liter. And he said it's also, he says they think they're a 1969, of course. Special year for everything.
Oh yeah, for everything.
Can't wait till 2069 when Tesla makes like a special version. Knowing Elon Musk, he's definitely going to.
Yeah, that'll probably be the year.
Yeah. But one more time for the guy who asked the camera question. So EOS M200, but if you want to get an external mic, get the EOS M50, if I'm right. Just make sure you do your research. How did you get it in? Did you? Because you did it when I wasn't here. And I told you, like, if you need help, just wait.
My bad. it was a pain, because I actually had to take the motor mounts off just to lift it off from one edge, drop it, and do the other side. And just one side to another. Literally would have been easier if I would have dropped it in with the head. No, I don't even think you could drop it in with the headers.
You could not drop that in with the headers.
No.
That was going to be impossible.
Yeah.
What we can do though is we can unbolt it. I don't think we have to pull it out.
I don't think so.
I think we just unbolt the headers and pull them down slightly.
Yeah, I think the headers, if I unbolt them, they might be able to tilt back enough to squeeze that starter into this side. Yeah, it's not gonna fit through there.
Yeah, we're just have to. We can unbolt them. We got enough space to pull them down.
Mm-hmm.
And then.
Man, I'm almost tempted. No, that starter's not gonna fit through there.
You know, we have to.
No way.
No, you pull this down, and you pull it that way. Trust me, they're gonna get stuck right here, and then we should be able to bolt it up there.
Yep, sounds good.
I mean,
Do you mind if I borrow that towel again?
yeah, go for it.
Put it right there. Hold on, jacket.
It's already got me fixed. It's okay. Oh, my shoe got like, that's an L.